Welcome to my channel. These products are very high quality on my channel. I've been working on Amazon's best products for a long time. Of course you will like. Check the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Number 1. Wearable Cable Management Kit. Cable Management. The cord cover is the perfect cord organizer. It contains everything to conceal and organize those messy cables. Made in USA. Enhanced design. Cord cover has a slim and sleek design and blends with any decor. Its channels can be painted to match the color of your wall. The cord cover is ideal for concealing cords, wires and cables, such as TV cords, HDMI, lamp and extension cords. Easy to install. Number 2. Wearable cord cover, white cord hider for wall mount TV. Cable management cord cover floor allows you to conceal cabling and cords while creating a smooth trip-free surface, and includes pressure-sensitive tape that can be applied to any indoor flooring surface. Easy to install cord cover wall offers flexibility while installing the product, so you can simply cut to your desired length using scissors or utility knife, while the self-adhesive backing makes it easy to install on any surface. Number 3. Wolyuk A1 Cord Channel Cable Concealer. Messy cable is solved. Perfect when you only have one cable to conceal, while would like to maintain as low of a profile as possible. Designed to enclose a low-voltage wire cable such as a power cord or one CAT5 cable, one speaker wire, or one lamp cord. APCS cable channels for maximum coverage. Each cable channel is 0.59 x 0.4 x 15.7. Total length 125 inches. Provides ample length to accommodate any home or office project. Number 4. Cord cover and 32 PCS fittings for Max 2 cables. Cable Raceway Cable Concealer Cord Management Kit. Premium Cable Concealer Kit. A plus electric paintable wire hider kit is an excellent cord organizer. It is designed to conceal messy and unorganized cables in your home or office. Each package contains 20 channels and fittings, 20s drywall ANCHORS and screws, 3XL connectors, 3XT connector, 3 sheen side corner, 3s outside corner, 12 straight connectors. Number 5. Cord Cover Raceway Kit. Passing the UL94V0 rating test, a plastics flammability standard released by Underwriters Laboratories of the United States. UL94V0 rating is defined as burning stops within 10 seconds on a vertical part, allowing for drops of plastic that are not in flames, which means it's safer than ordinary materials because of the higher flame retardancy, and brings greater security to your daily use.